Fieldwire is built for field teams who need simple task tracking, plan viewing, and on-site coordination, while Buildertrend is built for contractors who need full project management from lead generation to final payment. By the end of this, you'll know how Fieldwire and Buildertrend differ in real construction workflows, where each one fits best, and which platform actually makes sense depending on whether you're managing field execution or full construction projects. Fieldwire focuses on what happens on-site. It is designed for supervisors, foremen, and crews who need to view plans, assign tasks, track punch lists, and report progress directly from the field. Buildertrend focuses on managing the entire construction business. It covers estimating, scheduling, client communication, budgeting, project tracking, and invoicing in one system. The biggest difference is scope. Fieldwire stays tightly focused on field operations, especially task management and plan coordination during active construction work. Buildertrend expands across the full project lifecycle, starting from lead capture and estimates all the way through job completion and payment collection. In daily use, Fieldwire feels lightweight and fast. Crews use it mainly for checking drawings, updating tasks, and completing punch lists, without dealing with complex project management layers. Buildertrend feels like a full business control system. It connects office workflows with field activity, so managers can track leads, manage clients, schedule jobs, and monitor financials in one platform. On-site coordination is where Fieldwire stands out. It is built for real-time communication between field teams, especially when drawings or tasks change during a project. Buildertrend handles field communication too, but it is more structured around project timelines and office-to-field coordination rather than purely on-site execution. On the office side, Buildertrend is significantly more advanced. It includes tools for estimating, client messaging, job costing, and financial tracking that Fieldwire does not focus on. Fieldwire is not designed to replace full contractor management systems. It is meant to support the field layer of construction, often alongside other software. Buildertrend is designed to be an all-in-one platform, reducing the need for multiple tools by combining sales, project management, and financial workflows. The core difference is field execution versus full business management. Fieldwire is optimized for getting work done on-site quickly and clearly. Buildertrend is optimized for running the entire contracting business from one system. To choose between them, look at your main bottleneck. If your biggest challenge is field communication, drawings, and punch list management, Fieldwire fits well. If your challenge is managing projects from lead to payment, Buildertrend is the stronger option. A simple next step is to ask whether you need a field coordination tool or a full business management system. That answer usually makes the choice clear immediately. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of construction and contractor software.